This lesson is going to focus on the angle addition postulate. That should remind you of something we discussed earlier in the semester, the segment addition postulate. These two guys are very similar. Basically, what the angle addition postulate says is if you have two adjacent angles like ABC, which has a measure of 27 degrees, this angle in here, 27 degrees, and CBD, this angle has a measure of 49 degrees. Basically, the angle addition postulate says this larger angle, angle ABD, the angle that covers both of them, will be equivalent to the sum of the smaller two. So if we take 27 and add it to 49, we should get 76. And even if we manipulate these angles, change the sizes, this larger angle, the whole angle, ABD, is going to be a sum of the smaller two. You're going to have to add ABC 20 and CBD's 44 to get a total of 64 degrees. The book's definition of the angle addition postulate is unnecessarily complex, I think. So what you may want to do for your notes is just draw the following sketch and then put down the following. Basically, when you have adjacent angles, you could say something like the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 is going to be equal to the measure of angle 3. The angle addition postulate is going to allow you to take a situation in which you know some information. For example, let's say this is 31 degrees, and let's say this is x degrees, and let's say this is 73 degrees. It's going to allow you to take this information and write an equation. I know you could do this in your head probably, but there's going to be situations in which you're not going to be able to do it in your head. So you could take this information and say, oh, well, I know that when I add x to 31, I have to get 73, and now you've got an equation you can solve. So you're going to be using the angle addition postulate to help you write equations to solve for missing pieces of information.